Hey, it's Jonathan from Beard & Bot. Do you have a problem with droopy cables getting in the way of your laser fun? Let's fix that. I'm going to show you how to install the cable management arm for your Ortur Laser Master 2 and Pro models. It's really easy and doesn't require any modifications to your laser. Let's go. The kit includes a cable management arm, an M5 by 12mm screw, and some zip ties. Tools you'll need for installation include a No. 2 Phillips screwdriver, a 2mm Allen wrench, and something to cut the zip ties with. Okay, the first thing you're going to want to do is to cut this zip tie that's holding on the cable that goes to your laser head. Next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to remove this screw right here. Then you're going to want to take your cable management arm with the offset end and the longer screw that comes with the kit, and you're going to place it right here. Put the screw, start the screw in there. Make sure you put your grounding cable back in there. Tighten it up. Make sure it's straight. Next, you're going to want to remove the back left screw from your laser module. Pull it all the way out. Take the other end of the cable management arm, put the screw through, and reinstall the screw. Now, using the included zip ties, start securing the cables from the laser module back. Verify your laser still has full range of motion. Now you can trim the zip ties. That's it. You've now successfully installed your cable management arm. Now, go have some fun and happy lasering.